Gucci, what's poppin'? Ken from Brosefiles back with another video for you guys, and I hope you guys are feeling good because I know I am. If not, hopefully this video makes you feel good. If it doesn't, then I'm sorry, but yeah, we got another how to clean for you guys. And Jan is not here, so it's just gonna be me today. Gonna give you this DIY. I kind of stuttered there. All good. Just means we don't have the sick ass camera. You just gotta do this cell phone thing. But hey, shout outs to my girl, man. It might sound a little bit asthma.
Hello there.
This is just something that I enjoy doing and it makes me happy.
Because she got this nice mic for y'all. And yeah, shout outs to her, man. So hopefully the audio quality is a lot better, you know. Yeah, so if you guys haven't seen the video, man, I actually got my brother the sickest Jordan cements, man. So yeah, just check it out right up here. Hey, man, so if you guys want to check out how we made those Jordan cements, click on the link right above my head. Yeah, man. So be sure to like this video, comment, subscribe if you guys episode hit. Stay to the very end to see it before and after. And yeah, let's get into it. Damn, here's the Jordan box, alright? And yo, we got some nice Jordans in here, and god damn. Nah. I'm playing, bro. I already know what they look like. Y'all probably tripping though, because you haven't seen Jordans like this. First things first is that we're gonna need, you know, something to cover up our table here. You see I have a bunch of newspapers here. I just don't want to get my table scratched up. I don't want to get anything stained. So, you know, just proper measurements, man. Yo, can this angle be weird? Yo, I don't really care, man. I'm too lazy to change it up. So, we're gonna need some kind of sneaker solution to clean this baby up. Jason Markk. I haven't tried Rejuvenator. There's a bunch of other, you know, you could just check it out there. But I like Jason Markk. It works for me. It's good. It's popping. I got this raggedy, really strong brush, and this is gonna be for the non-delicate materials such as the outsole, midsole, anything plastic, etc. So that's gonna be good. This is a bucket. We're gonna be using this here just because we need to put some water in here to activate the solution. Some gloves because I'm not trying to get my fingers wrinkly raisin, kind of like some elderly woman's neck. And last but not least, if I need to put them in a wash, I'm gonna have some tripods. Just because I'm gonna throw them in a wash, I want these babies to sound and smell nice. How the hell does these? So how do the, oh man, okay, alright, peace. Alright, juicy people, I totally lied. You need a bunch more other things such as rags. We're gonna have to dry these babies. So I got some microfiber ones, some scratched up ones, some that I don't really care to reuse and just throw out because, yo, this is cement. We're not trying to reuse this kind of stuff. Some scissors, I don't know, I might have to cut these babies off. I can't find a hammer or chisel. If you guys have one, you know, and it's happened to you, I'd probably use some of those. And I guess I'll just get this in a nice angle. Yo, shout outs to you, man. You told us we should do like a time lapse. I guess we're gonna do that because you guys didn't see the whole process. So I'll find a nice place to place this camera here and I guess just record from there. Here is the aftermath, guys. Look at that. Now this is just only one shoe, guys, alright? This is only one shoe. This is actual cement, guys. Alright guys, so now I had one shoe finished, alright? And this is what it looks like. It's pretty clean. Well, I can't show you the rest right now though, but the second one, I'm gonna try something different. I found that soaking it in water is a lot easier to deal with because, you know, it kind of softens up the cement. And also the cement didn't 100% harden. It was like kind of mushy underneath the hard surface. So I'm hoping that this will be a lot better. And just so you know, before that, my camera did die. So I wasn't able to show you everything, but pretty much what I did was I started to run the shoe underwater while I was scrubbing it with a brush, and I was able to get a lot of the cement out. I have it right here inside a bucket, and yeah, man. Here we go. Yo, so these guys here, they're not quite done. They're drying, and yeah, man, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm tired as hell. It's like almost 2 a.m. So, yeah. It's the next morning, guys, and I just woke up. It's 2 p.m. I'm tired as hell. My fingers are trembling, but I was able to restore these sneakers, and yeah, I just gotta say, what's a Brosefiles video without some Tim Hortons, you know? Man, so actually before I get to it, I have to say that I didn't have to use these Tide Pods here, guys. You know, I was able to save these for snacks later because I was actually able to get a lot of the cement out without it. And yeah, man, here it is. Hope y'all liked that video. If you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. What? I don't give a fuck. Yo, so if you guys like this video, make sure to give it, man, you know, honestly, I don't care what you guys do, man. You do what you guys want to do. Share it if you guys want to, you know, subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, man, that's all I gotta say, you know, peace.
Taylor about the fucking flex.